Hey, and welcome to this video. This quick video is going to be about Go E1U Life, a new launch for this company. I think this is going to be a very exciting opportunity for everyone who doesn't have a business online yet or have failed online before, who tried different, affiliate program, tried different, opportunities and didn't succeed online because they don't know how to promote things. I think this is going to be an amazing opportunity because of three reasons. It pays 100% commission, which is unheard of. Compensation plan is very simple and easy. Also, the packages, the product, something that people want. It's 2x3 matrix, okay? It's 100% commissions. That's what attracted me to this company, okay? And I promoted high ticket affiliate products in the past, and I made over 6 figures online. So it's not like I'm a newbie. When I see something and I hear something from top 1% earners online, earning 8 figures, I signed up right under him because he is a beast when it comes to promoting. And we are right now in the process. Depends on when you're watching this, we are in the process of creating a complete marketing system to promote this opportunity. Okay, so if you want to jump in and join me right away, you will be able to later on benefit from my sales funnels. You want to join someone who can actually help you fill your pipeline and make you money passively, right? I want to just show you how to sign up first. Basically what you do is, the first thing you need to do is click on this one, start earning. Okay, fill out your information. Okay, the link is going to be below this video, and then it's going to take you to this step. Okay, so I'm actually doing this with you right now. I'm signing up just to show you how the process is, because I haven't seen many people showing the process. Right now you are in here and you created your account, and your next step is to start earning Bitcoin, by the way, because they pay out in Bitcoins, whether it's a $25 worth of Bitcoin, okay, whether it's $500 worth of Bitcoin, 1,000 and so on. They are going to deposit that in Bitcoin for you. That's why they are asking for your Bitcoin address. Okay, so you need to give them your Bitcoin address. So in my case, I have a Kraken account, so I will log into my Kraken and I will look for Bitcoin. Okay, the network here, it says Bitcoin. Okay, and it will give me my address. So anyways, I will copy my address. This is my address. I copy my address and I will paste my address here. As simple as that. Okay, if you don't have a wallet address, then you can go this route. You can pay with the MoonPay. You have to complete KYC requirements. Go follow this process. To create an account with the MoonPay. I have a Kraken, so I don't have to do this, by the way. Actually, I'm gonna pay with BTC because I already have BTC. So how do I do that if I have a Kraken account? Okay, these are the information that you need: the amount of BTC and the address that you have to deposit to. Okay, and then you submit the payment. It says here. Okay, so I am going to copy the address here and go to my Kraken. I'm gonna withdraw Bitcoin, and right now, withdraw address. They're asking me for the address. I'm gonna add a new address here. I'm actually saving the address here. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, address description, and I'm gonna call this address Go E1U Life. Now I know this is the address. So now I'm adding this address here to my Kraken. Okay, so the withdraw address needs to be confirmed. An email with approval instruction has been sent to you. The link in the email expires in 1 hour. Okay, so you know what? Security. I go to my email. Here's the email and new device. Okay, I'm gonna confirm the address. Withdraw address approved. Okay, back to Kraken. I go back to my Kraken account. So withdraw address. Now I can choose it. It's right here, right there. Now withdraw amount. So let me go back here, and they are giving us the amount. So I'm gonna copy this amount, go back to Kraken. I'm gonna say this is how much I want to send to EU Life, right? This is Go EU Life. This is their address, and this is how much I'm going to send, right? How much, and if I click on USD, see how much that would be. It would be actually 27.41. Perfect. This is the amount in Bitcoin. Okay, and now I'm gonna click on withdraw BTC. Asking me to confirm. I'm gonna confirm, and withdraw successful, submitted. Now It says here submit payment. Once the transaction has successfully been submitted, click submit payment above. This may take a few minutes to confirm your BTC transfer is processing. If you see no transaction found, try again in a couple minutes. Cool. Now remember, we did that. So it says no transaction found. I'm going to view transaction. It says here, withdraw Bitcoin. And it says successful on my end in Kraken. Okay. Now let's go to see if we can confirm that here. Submit payment. Let's see if that... there we go. Boom. Perfect. Okay, now we are in. And remember, we are building a marketing system for this opportunity. So this way you can get it for free from me as long as you're signing up using my link. I am working on it right now. Look, I'm building something amazing, okay? That you can get a branded website from me, plus a funnel, complete fully automated marketing system. It will be ready soon. You will get it as soon as long as you actually use the link below this video to sign up. Now, and we are in here. So I showed you how to sign up for free, get your account, then it will prompt you to a page to get in at 25 level. Okay, you can pay with Bitcoin or you can pay with your credit card, but you have to open a wallet and go through the process, right? I used Kraken because I already have Kraken. So we got so far, I walked you through the whole, the whole thing, okay? I am going to go with all these levels, 2,500 to 500 and 1,000, okay? I'm going to do it, today, tomorrow. I'm going to do all that. But I just want to show you how the process, step by step, how to do it, okay? Make sure you see my ID, Freedom here. Make sure you sign up there. Get in with the $25 level. Sign up for the 100 and the 500 and the 1,000 because you're going to be earning 100% commission on all these levels, and then you're going to contact me, send me an email. It's going to be my email address and my contact information is going to be underneath this video, okay? We can jump on a Zoom call and I'm going to give you a sales funnel. So you can plug in your link, into it, and that sales funnel is gonna make you stand out. It's gonna be a lot of people, be interested in this opportunity. Like I said before, because no one pays 100% commissions on all levels. All you have to then focus on is promoting this opportunity with the marketing system that I'm going to give you. Plus, you're gonna get coaching from me. The funnel is gonna be about recurring monthly income. It's gonna be your hub. At least I'm going to give you a complete copy. From here, people are going to access, free video training. I'm going to be recording that video very soon in a couple of days. So, and then people, can opt into your list so you can collect emails and the system will follow that. You're going to have it done for you, emails, done for you, funnel, done for you, a website, done for you. Everything is done for you. Okay. This is a bonus you're going to get when you sign up, using my link, okay? As soon as you do that, send me an email. It's going to be underneath this video, coachadamc@gmail.com. I'm going to leave it there. And I will see that you sign up. And you say, hey, Adam, I signed up with you. I want to book a Zoom call and I want to talk to you. You're going to get a free Zoom call with me just because you did that. So we can go on a Zoom call together, chat about, how you're going to start, making money with this and how we can promote this and earn 100% commission. I will be done with the sales funnel within a few days here by next week. Depends on you watching. It's going to be like a $2,000, $3,000 bonus. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to be posting more updates about this, but here is what I want to tell you. During COVID-19, I was a restaurant owner. Okay. I went bankrupt, literally lost my business. I even, lost my marriage, to be honest with you. Over $260,000 debt. I was living in California at that time and I went overseas, went through depressions and I tried everything online. I tried many different kind of business models, Amazon, FBA, digital marketing. I did freelancing. I did, agencies. I did ClickBank, affiliate marketing, low ticket, high ticket, nothing worked, to be honest with you. I tried a lot of things online. I failed until I met, a mentor. So you need to have a mentor. So I met a mentor, his name is Jason, one of the top in the world when it comes to, presenting on, webinars and cameras and stuff like that and how to promote. So I became a promote master. And he told me one thing. He said, listen, Adam, if you're going to go out and promote anything and record videos, for example, like I'm doing right now, because We are in the era of videos. I mean, come on. If anyone tells you that you can make money online right now being faceless, they are lying to you. Because no one is going to buy from you if they don't know you. People connect with people. People buy from people. Right now, they don't buy products, they buy people. Now, it's a huge difference between watching me and watching actually a faceless video, right? Correct? If you were watching an AI faceless video right now, would you be comfortable to buy anything from that video? I wouldn't. Personally, I wouldn't. I want to actually work with people and want to buy from people who I know, who I trust. Not necessarily you're going to trust me from the first video or from this, but at least you can feel that I am a human being. I'm a human like you, right? You can connect with me. You know, I am inviting you to send me an email, to book a Zoom call with me. You can interact with me. I'm real. I'm not an AI. I'm not a faceless, right? So once you master how to present on camera, which I will teach you and coach you for free, by the way, okay? Well, showing you what I use, how I do it, you know, and then you go on YouTube and you do a few things like I did in the past, like my mentor showed me. I promoted a high-ticket affiliate marketing, only one product that I didn't own. It was $3,500, which I bought into. I bought it for $3,500, and they were paying 40% in commission, which is $1,400. Within 3 months, I earned like $28,000. Then I did 3 launches that year. I was overseas broke, I'm telling you. After trying everything, I made 6 figures. Don't promote anything below 60%, 50%. Don't promote anything below. Don't promote something for like low ticket, because the same amount of time and effort you're going to put into any promotion or anything you do, it's going to be the same effort, you know, whether you are selling something for $10 or whether you are selling something for $3,000 or $5,000, right? And this is the stuff, you know, I teach in my consulting business. Not to brag, okay, just to show you quickly that why you are in the right place, my friend. Okay, that's a transaction of $4,997. That's $5,000 I had to charge him. Okay, this is $5,000, just one client, just so he can save time. So I'm coaching him to build the funnel for him for his business. Okay, you know, you need someone who can help you with that. Okay, or otherwise you're not going to be able to sell anything or succeed with anything if you don't know how to promote. Like driving traffic, making YouTube videos, making, you know, maybe Instagram shorts, maybe making TikTok shorts, maybe all this kind of cool stuff. You know, I can help you with that. And I like to, you know, people who actually work with me, I help them for free. Okay, like, but this guy is doing the whole package because I'm building him a sales funnel for his business. It's a private client. But I'm going to be stopping doing that soon because I don't have time, because I want to get into something like more interesting. This opportunity, you know, actually it excites me. It does, because the compensation plan, you know, the 100% earning, it is just like crazy. It is just amazing. I mean, are you kidding me? I haven't seen anything like that before. You get 100% commissions multiple times, plus amazing products. You know, jump into this opportunity as soon as possible, and don't, you know, don't delay it. And then contact me, and then we'll take it from there. Take care for now. Bye-bye.